When I wake up, I feel like the room was spinning around me. I couldn't stand up, I have to lay down.
Mary Adames didn't know what was wrong.
I was feeling dizzy, nauseous, vomiting, and I lost the hearing in my right ear. I never before had an episode like that, just that happened that day.
Adames, her husband Hamid Moghadam, and their 4 kids were supposed to go to Disney World that day. But with her severe pain and symptoms, Hamid rushed her here, NorthShore Medical Center, where she met neurosurgeon Dr. Jack Clem.
It was the headache, the nausea, as well as some dizziness was probably associating with the lesion.
A lesion, a brain tumor, was seen right here with serious swelling surrounding the growth. Dr. Clem analyzed the X-ray.
There's a large amount of swelling, which was the case here in this situation. That can lead to other things such as seizures.
I just was like very nervous, waiting to know exactly what's the condition that I have in my brain.
Mary and Hamid thinking immediately of their 4 children.
That was the most scary thing I ever experienced in my life.
Mary and Hamid called their 4 children at home, talking to the oldest, 19-year-old Sally, first.
I couldn't say anything else because she started crying. She couldn't stop.
And 11-year-old Sarah, 9-year-old Saeed, and 7-year-old Hamid.
Automatically they start crying. So 4 of them they were crying. I wanted to finish telling her what is going on, but they are all crying and I cannot explain anything.
They finally explained surgery was a must. Dr. Clem and his team began a 2-hour minimally invasive procedure to remove the tumor. Before the procedure, Mary's husband was confident.
He always was telling me, be positive, everything is gonna be okay, and he said, God is in our side.
The result, an incision behind Mary's hairline, some post-op swelling, and a textbook procedure complete.
It turned out to be a benign meningioma.
Benign, and it was found early.
I think she's very lucky that she didn't have a seizure or that her symptoms did not progress more so than they did. So she was caught early.
Having a brain surgery and after 3 days be discharged home and after 2 weeks go back to normal activity, I think God was on my side 100%.
Exactly 1 month after the brain tumor was removed, Mary was able to fly to Sarah's gymnastics finals and take their kids to all of their activities, but with a different perspective.
And now I'm like a more simple person.
And forever thankful.
Dr. Clem, he is amazing. I'm so glad to have such a magnificent surgeon who demonstrates such a confident care and concern for the patients and the treatment that he performed. And also thank you very much to NorthShore Medical Center and the whole staff. They were very nice with me.
And seeing this mother of 4 return back to her normal life makes Dr. Clem feel...
Well, gratified. That's really the whole reason that I chose this profession is to be able to make a difference in people's lives.
And as far as that family trip to Disney, it's back on, as Mary and her family are relieved and forever grateful for her life-saving procedure and quick recovery.
Happy to be alive, second chance, and I'm going to live this second chance very good.